Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and I want to thank you all so much for stopping by and watching. I know there's so many YouTubers out there that you could be watching instead, so thank you so much for watching my videos and for all the comments you leave me, and I really do appreciate it. And my hair is itching my face. I just brushed it and it was itching my face, so I really do appreciate it. Please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And I have my September Splendies. If you don't know about this, this is a monthly bag. You get 3 pairs of panties each month. It is $14.99. I think it's small, medium, and large. And then it's $2 more if you need, I mean, they go up to I think 3X or something. It's quite a bit, but I think it's like $2 more. And I will look and see if they still have a, they did have a 50% off. If so, I'll leave the link below and leave the code. And I mean, that is, and you don't have to stick with it if you decide you don't like it. If you want to get the 1 month for, it ends up being like $7.50 that you can get 3 pair. They're really nice quality. I mean, you can't beat that. So if you want to try a pair, I will look and see if they still have a code. And they sent me a free pair this month. I assume it is because of the videos I did for Splendies the last several months, or the last 4 or 5 months. So they always come. It's almost always in this paper, but sometimes they do have, sometimes it is something different, but it usually is this paper, and they have the little sticker. Let me show you the pair they sent me for free first. It's in the little red, in the red tissue paper. It was, I think this pair is just adorable. So, oh, and I got a pair. I had been wanting a pair like I had been wanting for a long time. They're just so cute. This pair is, look how cute. They had the little ties, the little string-like ties on the side. And it's really soft, satiny fabric. This one retails for $12. And it is a Splendies brand. This one is, let's see, this one is a full back. And, I mean, it's not lacy or I mean, it does have lace, of course, but some of them have, quite a few I've seen do have like a see-through back. So this pair was the free pair, and look how cute those are. They're just so cute. But let me show you this one. I've been wanting a pair like this other one. Let's see. First, hey baby. Okay, I'll come see it in just a minute.
I'm telling you.
Okay, I'll come see it in a minute. So this is, I like the pattern. This is just a very simple, no lace. This is a very, let's see if I can show you, this is actually a very stretchy fabric. I like that fabric. And this is also a Splendies brand. And this one also retails for $12. So there is the back. It's got a full back. Oh yeah, if you want, you can get, when you order them, you can get all 3 pair in the full size, I mean the full cut, or you can get all 3 in thongs, or you can do a mix-up where they send you, it's usually like 2 full cuts and 1 pair of thongs.
I love you, Mama.
I love you too, baby. Now look at these.
She's the best mom in the world.
These are so cute too. Look at these. I've been wanting a pair with the, let's see if I can show you. I've been wanting a pair with the ties on the back. Look how cute those are. I mean, they're not see-through. I mean, they are see-through, but not lace type see-through. So there's that. Those are just adorable. And I like lace and girly stuff, but look how cute those are with the little lace, the little strings on the back. And this pair is really cute, but I was trying to figure it out. This one is also a Splendies brand, and it also retails for $12, but it has these strings that go, I guess it just goes across the back. It's just kind of odd the way they, see how cute they are? But then these strings are kind of weird. I'm sure once they're on, the strings will just fall where they're supposed to fall, but I guess they go up like that a little bit. That's the only way they could go. See that the front has the same thing, and they're kind of low. They go down low, so I'd say those are just strings that go a little bit higher than the line does. But look how cute those are. They are just really cute. So I got this pair. I got this pair, and this one is just a very simple pair, no lace or anything. And then this pair, and then like I said, this one was I assume the free pair because it's a 4th pair and you only get 3, so I assume someone had commented on one of my videos before about sending me an extra pair for my videos, so that I would say that's what that's for. So if you're interested, I will look and find the link and the code. I'm sure there is still a code where you can get it half off, so you can get your first 3 pair for $7.50. I mean, you can't beat that. That is just, I don't even know if you can go to Walmart and buy just generic panties for $7.50 for 3 pair. I haven't looked in a long time because I've been getting these, so I really appreciate it, and I thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Love you guys. Bye bye.